A smart rule is a powerful CLM feature that can be easily configured to introduce process automation. A smart rule automates document and folder actions based on events and conditions. There are 3 types of smart rules in CLM. A CLM action can automatically execute when there is a change on a CLM document, when a folder is created or moved into another folder, or run based on a schedule. Let's look at how simple it is to configure a smart rule. We'll create a document rule that automatically moves a document to a folder and then sends an email notification. Navigate to Admin, Smart Rules, then create a new document rule. The first part is to configure the event that will trigger this rule. Enter a name for the smart rule. This rule automatically processes an agreement if the pricing information indicated is greater than $5,000. This rule is initiated when the document is indexed or updated. Execute this rule as yourself, the administrator. This ensures that the rule runs in scenarios where the initiating user does not have access to complete the action. The event section is completed. The second part is to configure the filters or conditions that will need to be met for this rule to execute. Select the folder where this rule should run. Also indicate that the agreement should have a pricing value of $10,000. Based on what we have configured so far, this smart rule executes when an agreement in a folder location is indexed and has a pricing value of $10,000. The last part is to select the outcome or the action that this smart rule should execute. Select the action to automatically move the agreement to a specific folder location. At the same time, send an email notification to a reviewer that a service agreement with a pricing value greater than $5,000 has been received. This completed smart rule indicates that when a document is indexed in a specific folder location, and if the document has a pricing value of $10,000, automatically move the document to another folder location and send an email to a reviewer. Verify that you have correctly configured the smart rule. Click Analyze. A message appears that may indicate a success message that the rule setup looks fine, an error that needs to be corrected, or information on how you can improve the smart rule. Click Save to save the smart rule. The event, filters, and actions are summarized in the rule grid. A newly created or updated smart rule has the status of disabled and will need to be enabled to execute.